हेलो बच्चों। तो आप देख रहे हैं कंप्यूटर विज्ञान यूट्यूब चैनल और हम लेके आ गए हैं नया वीडियो विच इज ऑन ऑपरेटर्स and we are learning computer science class 11 the complete series, and the approach of the learning would be practical and programming approach, so we'll see everything via program. Let's get started. So here I have mentioned some of the operators. So operator is nothing but the specific mathematical or logical operations on values. So operator is used to perform specific mathematical or logical operations. That means we can do some operation on the operand. So if we do 10 plus num, this expression called operation, and this plus sign called operator, and these values 10 and num having some value, let's consider, then these 10 and num called operands. So operands are those values on which the operator works. And operator, the like plus minus and all. So here I have mentioned some type of operator like arithmetic operator. In that we are having plus, minus, multiply, division, modulus, floor division, and exponent. We'll see one by one all the operators and the value. I have captured some of the screenshot for more easiness to understand, and some of the example we'll see how it works. I have collected all the screenshots from NCRT books only, so you can go through the NCRT books as well. So, okay, in the types of operator, we are having some set of operators like six type of operator: arithmetic, relational, assignment, logical, identical, membership. So in arithmetic, we are having plus minus division, multiplication, modulus, floor division, exponential, and in relational operator, we are having double equal. So relation means is it equal? So these relational operator returns true or false. If two values are equal, then it will return true. This equal sign. Not equal, if it will return true when both values left and right operands are not equal. Less than, greater than, that less than, equal to, and greater than, equal to. That means it is considering less than and greater than with equal sign as well. Assignment operator, that means doing the operation, we are assigning the value on the same operand. We'll see these examples as well. Logical operator having and, or, and not. These three operator, logical operator. Identical operator is and is not. Is means it is identical, or is not identical. It is similar to the double equal and not equal. Membership operator, that means some value is member of that particular list or not. So in or not in that particular value. These are six type of operator. Let's see a little bit detail about these. So here I have captured the screenshot of the NCRT book. So we are having details of the operators. So first is our arithmetic operator. So Python supports arithmetic operators that are used to perform four basic operations like plus, minus, multiplication, division. Along with that, we are having modulus, floor division, exponent. Okay, so here we are having operator name. So you can easily remember that floor division and exponents. Modulus is, you might be familiar with this one. Here we are having description of the operator, so you can go through that. Here we are having example, so you can run these examples and see is it working properly or not. Like here we are having num1 floor division of num2. That means floor division is not exact division, it is floor value of that. So 4 threes are 12. So it is plus 1. This means the 3 is the floor value. It would be some like 3.2 something. Instead of this, it is showing value of 3. This is the floor value. Exponential, you know that 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 4. So num2 is the power and num1 is the operands. On that you want to do the power, which is exponent. Okay, let's see some example. I think it would be better to remember that. Let's say num1 having 15 value, num2 having let's say 4 value, and let's say rat equal to num1 floor operator, num2 floor division, and print rat and see what is the result. It is taking time because I'm running first time after some disconnection. So let's wait. Okay, so here we are having three values. Let's say if we'll do it 16, then it should be four values. If this is not clear, then please comment. I'll explain it further. Otherwise, I'm considering it is understand. Understanding is clear. So next one is relational operator. Relational operator means, as I told, it will return true or false. That means this double equals is comparing two values. Like like here we are having two values, right? So if we are comparing and printing it, let's see. So what num1 is not equal to num2, that's me. So it is returning false. This one is assignment operators. So assignment operators when we will learn, I'll explain it further. So this is better to print here, print this one, what it is returning to understand it better. So it is returning false if because it both are not equal to. If I'm assigning same value, then it should be equal to and returning true. Now let's see greater equal to. So greater than is again return false because now it both are equal. To provide one more condition of equal, greater than equal to will return true. So we have see this one. Same less than will return false and all, and not equal to the same way work as equal to not equal to. Then it will return false, and let's say again we'll fall back to 16 and it will return true. So this is about the relational operators. When the value is not equal to, that means not follow this condition, then it will return false. If it follows this condition, not equal, means num1 is 4, num2 is 16, and these are not equal. So it follows this rule, then it is returning true and printing out the same. Okay, let's move to the next operators, which is assignment. So as I told in the previous slide or previous example, assignment operator. So we'll see that assignment operator assign or changes the value of the variable. It's left. So we saw already equal means assignment operator. So some of the example like multiply and equal and all. So before that we was doing direct equal to. This is assignment operator. So what we was doing, whatever the return value of these two operators, we are printing out, we are assigning it into that and printing it out, and value should be the same. Why we use this? When we want to reuse the same value, same return value, and we don't want to do this operation again and again. Again, let's multiply and equal to. Let's do this num1 multiply equal to num1. What it is doing operation on both of that, and then after let's say print it out to print num1. Okay, see here two operations I'm doing. One is this one. So right now its value is 4, multiply with 4 and assign it to num1. So 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16, so it is showing 16, and both are not equal to is now both are equal to, so it is not, this operator is not follow the rule, so it is returning false. Let's remove it to remove the confusion. Let's use to. Now what is doing? Here 4 multiply with 16, whatever the result is, will be assigned to num1. So 16 multiplied with 4, which is 64. Okay, so let's move to the next topic. So the similar way, this divide equal to, modulus equal to, and other operator will work. You can try. If any problem in any operator if you face, please drop a message, comment. I'll take care those examples and explain it further in the subsequent videos. We can take a special doubt session as well if you are having any. So here I have mentioned left of rest of the operators like logical, identical, membership. So in logical, as I told, and, or, and not, three operators are there. We'll see it in details, but right now we are having some of operators example like true or false or will always be true. So I will see how this boolean will works, but right now just consider these example. You can run it similarly. Same for the identical operators is again double equal is same as the double equals is or is not. So it is saying that if both side of the operands are pointing to the same memory location or not, then is, otherwise is not. Let's see an example quickly. Let's see. I have num1. If I'm assigning and let's say I should write like print num1 is num2, it should return true. Absolutely. If I'll assign this 4 value, what should be the result? Both are pointing to the same memory because the value is same. If what I'll do, let's say num1 multiplied by 2, then it will not be equal. Right? False. And if I do not, is not return true because both are not pointing to the same one. Right. So this is one of the example of the is and is not operator, identical operator. And members, if you note the list contains that value to, like here we are having 1, 2, 3. 2 is in A or not in. Let's take a quick example. Let's say I'm having here, what was the example? I'll take the same one, 1, 2, 3. So let's take 1, 2, 3, and let's say 2, let's say 2 in num1. Yes or no? It is. So it will return 2. And not in false. If I'll say 5 not in num1 num1 list, then yes, true. It's not in the list. So here we have covered the membership operators as well. You can see these examples and run it similar way. These all about this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel, share with your friends so they also can get benefited with these videos. I'll continue the complete series of the videos to complete the syllabus. So it will be available for free on YouTube. Thank you.